This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream. First, you will need to gather your ingredients, which typically include heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and your chosen flavorings. It is crucial to ensure your ice cream maker's bowl has been frozen solid for at least 12 to 24 hours. Next, you will prepare the base mixture by gently heating the milk and sugar until the sugar completely dissolves, creating a smooth, sweet liquid. After dissolving the sugar, combine this warm milk mixture with your cold, heavy cream. This step is vital for achieving a rich, creamy texture. Now is the time to incorporate your chosen flavorings, whether it is a classic vanilla extract, rich cocoa powder, or fresh fruit purees. Once everything is mixed, cover the base and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to ensure it is very cold. With your base thoroughly chilled, pour it into your pre-frozen ice cream maker bowl. Turn on the machine and let it churn for about 20 to 30 minutes. During this process, the mixture will gradually thicken and expand, transforming into a soft serve consistency. Once it reaches this stage, carefully transfer the freshly churned, soft ice cream into an airtight container. Place the airtight container in your freezer for a minimum of 2 to 4 hours, or until the ice cream is firm enough to scoop. For the best texture, let it sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes before serving, allowing it to soften just enough. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat. Also, if you are looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.